everyone. In this video, we will discuss about how India has decided to have its first overseas oil stockpile in the US. So this is the first time India is going to have an emergency oil stockpile in a with beyond the boundaries of Indian territory. So this is a major move in the strategic relationship between India and US. Let's try to see the details. So the first thing is, this is, as mentioned earlier, this is the first time India is creating an emergency reserve abroad, and it will give a boost to situation where India is facing any disruption in case of supply. So these strategic reserves comes in the time when there is a supply disruption and help to safeguard the interest of India. Thing to remember is India is the third largest oil consumer, which means a lot of oil is imported by India from different countries. So India is the third largest oil consumer, and right now, because of all the situation, because of the pandemic which is going in the world, as well as the other scenario which is going on, the prices of oil has decreased considerably. So this is the right time for India to actually buy oil stock and reserve them for the future need when there could be supply disruption. So this is also a strategic move by India. So India and US have recently signed an MOU in which they have agreed that India and US both will be working in cahoots to develop strategic petroleum reserves. So these are the basic details. Now we have to see how this actually going to impact. This move actually comes at the time when India is facing a deadlock with China. So there has been aggressive policies followed by China in the last couple of months now, and all these things actually have tilted India towards US. And US also does want India to be in its suppose to push back the China from the global forum. So India as well as US has find common grounds on which they can develop their partnership, and because of it now they are trying to move beyond just the defense cooperation, and hence they have agreed to go towards the petroleum reserves. Another thing which you have to remember between the India and US relationship, that India has actually emerged as the sixth largest oil supplier since 2017. So the US supply to India has increased from the last couple of years, and this particular MOU will further help to strengthen the ties. This also comes in the backdrop when India's import of Middle Eastern oil plunged to a 4-year low in 2019. So last year, India imports from Middle East, which actually include of the Gulf Cooperation Council and the basic your oil and petroleum economic cooperation countries, which earlier used to have the power play in case of deciding the oil price, but now India has also moved away from it and have seen that it is the lowest. Still, it is the largest chunk of import, but the percentage has decreased in 2019. Also, you have to remember that India's import traditionally had been from the Middle East. For the majority of its supplies, it import the oil from the Middle East. However, as mentioned earlier, the reason share has been decreasing because India is trying to diversify its basket from where it is importing the oil. Because of it, what happened? Recent shares of India crude shrank to 16%. Now let's try to see it in a graphical way. Let's see the condition how India was importing oil in 2016 versus 3 years later in 2019. So in the left hand side you can see that in 2016 India used to export 64% of its crude oil from Middle East. 5% was from other, 15% from Africa, and 16% from Latin America. So if you see by 2016 there was no import from USA. Now see the picture on in 2019. So the 4% which was with Middle East has directly shifted towards the US, and hence the import from Middle East has shrank to 60%, and that 4%, the 4% has now been getting import from USA. Africa percentage has also increased from 15 to 16%. Others have also diversified to 7%, and Latin America has seen a fall of 3% from 16 to 13% owing to the political disruption in Venezuela and Colombia. So this is the present picture where the US have actually paved its way in the import basket of India, and it further sank the share of oil import from Middle East. After considering the situation from outside, we have to also understand that India is developing strategic petroleum reserves within its territory as well. These petroleum reserves also serve the same purpose, that when there is a break in the global supply chain, we should have some reserves within our boundary so that they could be used. We have to remember that India does not have many oil reserves. They have many refineries, and refined oil has been a lucrative business, and India is even exporting. But the crude oil, we don't have much reserves in India, and because of it, we have to create strategic petroleum reserves. So where these are located? So as of now, they are located in Visakhapatnam, Mangalore, and Padur. And in fact, they were able to create 1.3 million ton plus 1.5 million ton plus 2.5 million tons between the time period of 2015 to 2018. And there are more strategic locations coming up. So the government is planning to create additional 12.5 million ton storage capacity at Padur, then at Chandikol, Bikaner, as well as Rajkot. Now let's try to map them on the map. So why India has the strategic petroleum reserves? The objective is very clear. It is to secure our energy. So basic funda behind this is to have energy security by serving as a cushion during any external supply disruption. So for any reason, if India is not able to import oil, we should have some reserve within our country to serve the need of the people. So what government of India has done, they have decided with the phase 1. In phase 1, they have set up 5.33 MMT of strategic coal oil storage. As already discussed, these are located at Visakhapatnam, Padur, and Mangalore. And going forward, they are going into the SPR phase 2, which is Strategic Petroleum Reserves phase 2, and they are trying to add additional 6.5 MMT crude oil reserves, where in Chandikol as well as in Padur. So these strategic locations will further help to provide security, energy security to India during the time of disruptions. So I hope you have understood what are the strategic relation with it, and how the India-US MOU will actually help to conserve the energy security of our country. Please like this video and share it among your friends. Thank you.